Welcome back to my YouTube channel. We are demoing some concrete. We're going to be pouring some concrete as well. Check out the boys working hard. Lalo. So what he's going to do right there, he's just gonna toss it right there and watch this. Boom! Es neta. ¿Qué traes? ¿Qué traes? Ahí, pégale. They're going to remove this section of fence so we can come in with the skid and just poop. It's a beautiful morning. Shout out to my mom for helping me clean my truck. Looks so good. Yeah. Oh! You got hella close. Oh, es para el carro para las carcanchas que tenemos, para los drift cars. Es un diff, right? Oh yeah, hell yeah.
Pero le vas con la mini, ¿no?
So right now, Emiliano brought some base. He's going to be dumping it, and then he's getting loaded with the concrete. What? No way. Even at factory? Holy moly.
Outline, numbers
saw grease before.
Uh-huh. Yeah.
So they wouldn't take grease.
Wow.
So that was good. You know, we got to...
Worth it, Mike.
Yeah, then I don't have to take it apart again if we need them. Okay.
Right. Yeah.
Bye.
Bye. Thank you, Mike. Bye. Listo, tío. ¿No le hace que no haya nadie?
Oh, con
Ya-
la flor.
Ya te hiciste...
No, con la flor.
¿Para qué?
Aquí están las hojas.
Oh, ¿a poco ya te hiciste cementero, Tito? Agarra, Tito, agárralo.
Problema, digo, no, no. Ya ahí que se quede.
Thank you guys for watching. I appreciate you guys' support. Give that video a thumbs up, and we'll see you in the next one.